Hello children, welcome to your English class. Today we will do Unit 6, poem number 6, class discussion. So this poem is from your English Marigold NCERT book. So this poem is all about a girl named Jane. ये जो पोयम है ये जेन नाम की एक लड़की के ऊपर है जो क्लास में चुपचाप बैठी रहती है। जब टीचर बच्चों के साथ किसी टॉपिक पे डिस्कशन करती है तो ये चुपचाप बैठी रहती है। तो टीचर को थोड़ा आश्चर्य होता है कि ये बच्ची चुपचाप क्यों बैठी है। तो टीचर उस बच्ची से पूछती है कि वो क्यों चुप बैठी है। तो दिस पोयम इज ऑल अबाउट द गर्ल जेन.
So let's do reading, and after that I'll explain you this poem in Hindi. So Unit 6, poem number 6, class discussion. Now look at this picture, class discussion. So all the children are sitting in the class and discussing something with their teacher. Now one girl is quiet one. So this poem is about that quiet little girl named Jane. In the class discussion, Jane, you hardly said a word. We all aired our opinion, but from you we barely heard. You sat and stared in silence, surrounded by the chatter. Now tell me, Jane, and please be plain. Is there anything the matter? Jane looked up and then she spoke. Her voice was clear and low. There are many people in this world who are rather quiet, you know. इस पोयम में जो बच्ची है छोटी जेन, उसको सारे बच्चे जो क्लास में आपस में डिस्कशन कर रहे हैं किसी टॉपिक के बारे में जो क्लास में चल रहा है टीचर के साथ, तो वो कह रहे हैं कि इन द क्लास डिस्कशन जेन यू हार्डली सेड अ वर्ड. की जब क्लास डिस्कशन होता है जेन तुम तो कुछ बोलती ही नहीं हो, एक वर्ड नहीं बोलती हो. वी ऑल एयर्ड आर ओपिनियन. एयर्ड मीन्स हम अपनी जो ओपिनियन है सबको बताते हैं, जो हम सोच रहे हैं उस टॉपिक के बारे में वो हम अब बताते हैं सबको, क्लास में सबके साथ शेयर करते हैं. बट फ्रॉम यू वी बेयरली हर्ट. लेकिन तुम्हारी तरफ से हमें कुछ भी सुनाई नहीं देता, कुछ भी नहीं तुम बोलती हो. यू सैट एंड स्टेयर्ड इन साइलेंस सराउंडेड बाय द चैटर. तुम जो हम सब बोल रहे हैं, हम सब की जो बातें हैं उनके बीच में चुपचाप बैठी और सबको घूरती रहती हो, देखती रहती हो. नाउ टेल मी जेन एंड प्लीज़ बी प्लेन, इज़ देयर एनीथिंग द मैटर. तो जेन प्लीज़ तुम बताओ, ऐसे चुप मत बैठो, ठीक है ना. क्या तुम्हारा कोई प्रॉब्लम है, कोई मैटर है, वो हमसे डिस्कस करो. तो जो जेन है वो खड़ी होती है और बोलती है. जेन लुक्ड अप एंड देन शी स्पोक. तो वो बोलती है. हर वॉइस वॉज क्लियर एंड लो. उसकी जो आवाज़ है वो क्लियर है, जो पिच है वो बहुत थोड़ा सा लो है, लेकिन जो वो बोल रही हो बिल्कुल सही बोल रही है. कि देयर आर मैनी पीपल इन दिस वर्ल्ड हु आर रेदर क्वाइट, यू नो. तो वो बोलती है कि ज़रूरी ऐसा नहीं है कि मैं चुप रहती हूँ तो इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि मुझे आता नहीं है. इसका मतलब ऐसा भी हो सकता है कि कुछ लोग ऐसे होते हैं दुनिया में जो चुपचाप रहना पसंद करते हैं. तो मैं उनमें से एक हूँ जो मैं चुप रहना पसंद करती हूँ. तो ये थी आपकी पोएम बच्चों. सो योर do this, write down this poem in your notebook. Now come to the new words. Discussion. What is the meaning of discussion? Talking together in a group on a single topic. Aired. Aired means make public. Barely, only just. Stare. Look fixedly with eyes wide open. घूरना जिसे कहते हैं. Plain. Here means clear. Okay. So these are new words. Write down these new words also in your notebook. Now let's read. What activity was going on in the class? What activity was going on in the class? Answer is class discussion was going on in the class. Class discussion was going on in the class. Who was the quiet one in the class? Is there anyone quiet in the class? Yes. Jane was the quiet one in the class. Why was she quiet? Why was she quiet? First one, she was afraid to air her opinions. She hated the noise. She didn't like the activity. So, or she was quiet by nature. So, answer is she was quiet by nature. She was quiet in the class because she was quiet by nature. Now question number 4. How do you interact in class during discussions? Do you participate or remain quiet? So what type of child you are? Do you participate or do you quiet like Jane in the class? So how do you interact in the class during this discussion? So I interact in the class during discussions by giving my opinions, ideas, my answers. Okay. And do you participate? Yes, I participate. I never remain quiet during discussions in the class. So do these questions and answers in your notebook, children. So listen the video again and again and write down the answer in your copy yourself. I will not make any other video for these 4 questions and answers. Now next exercise. This also you have to do it yourself. It's very simple and easy. Think and write. Choose 2 friends in your class who are very different from each other. So you have to choose 2 friends. So the clues in the box to describe their nature, you may also add your own words to describe them. Now describe both the children, both of your friends by using these words. Naughty. So A and B. A is naughty. He is very naughty, or she is very naughty. Lively. A is naughty. B is lively. Like this, you have to write some different views about your friends. So choose 2 friends and use these clues and describe your friends in your own words. For example, you have written 2 friends, A and B. A is Ram, B is Sham. So A. Ram is naughty by nature. Okay. Sham is lively by nature. Okay. Ram is friendly to everyone in the class, and Sham is regular in class. He never absent in the class, is always regular. Or you can say Ram is very careless. Sham is a studious student. Ram is naughty, so he is not quite in the class. Sham is very studious, so he is quite in the class. Like this, you have to choose your 2 of your friends in your class who are very different from each other. Okay, so children, so do this exercise also in your notebook, in the book. Do it in the book. Now do this exercise. This exercise also you have to do it in your book. Fill in the grid given below by assigning qualities to each person. Some clues are here to help you. So now clues are here. Grid means this box is called grid. Okay, children. Now here you can see the words brave, naughty, quiet, talkative, generous and studious. And here are the names of the student: Neerav, Pranav, Megha, Mithali, Ritu and Sangeeta. Now clues. For example, Sangeeta lends her pencil to her partner. So what type of girl she is? What kind of girl Sangeeta is? She is ready to lend her pencil. So Sangeeta is a what? Brave, naughty, quiet, talkative, generous or studious. She is generous by nature. She is ready to share her things with her classmates or with her friends. Neerav is also called a chatterbox. So what is the meaning of chatterbox? Chatterbox means a person who always talk. So what kind of boy Neerav is? Brave? No. Naughty? No. Quiet? No. He is a chatterbox. That means he is very talkative. He is very talkative. Number 3, Pranav recently saved a cat from drowning in the lake. So he saved a cat drowning in the lake. So what kind of a boy he is? Brave boy, naughty boy, quiet boy, talkative, generous or studious? He is brave boy. Pranav is a brave boy. He helped a cat. He saved a cat cat from drowning in the lake. Next, Megha is just the opposite of Neerav. Megha is just opposite of Neerav. Neerav is talkative boy. So Megha is quiet. Megha is quiet. So she is a quiet natured girl in the class. Mithali always teases everyone. She always teases everyone. So what kind of girl she is? She is very naughty. She teases everyone in the class. So she is very naughty. Ritu. Ritu is always seen with a book in hand. Always studying and this. So what kind of girl she is? She is studious. This exercise, children, you will do it in your book as well as in your notebook. You have to draw this grid with pencil, write down the names and the headings with black pen and fill or tick mark. You will do it with a blue pen and you have to write down all these clues also. Okay, children. So do this exercise, page number 98 in your book and notebook both. Clear? Poem also you have to write down in your notebook and this exercise you have to do it in your book and notebook both. These exercise for 1, 2, 3, 4 these questions and answers also you have to do it in your notebook and this exercise you have to do it in your book on this space given on page number 97. Clear? So I hope do you understand the poem. It's very simple and very easy poem. So only 2-3 exercises I have done from your book. So this is your poem class discussion. So read, learn and do your work at your home. Be safe at your home. So till then, goodbye. See you.